The Dent Schoolhouse is back with a vengeance. They have changed things up yet again this year. There's several brand new scenes down in the basement that you've never seen before. And if you know anything about Dent Schoolhouse, you know there's a certain janitor that you do not want to meet down there.
Here we go. I don't want to go down here.
We're gonna take you inside the haunted house with us, so without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Hello. Me any candy?
No, I don't think so.
Shame.
What happens if we don't have candy?
You'll find out at my festival. And you didn't even bring a costume. It's fine. We have some couple eight-legged friends in there for you waiting.
No.
Oh, yes. Nothing can save you now. It's gonna be sweet. I cook more than just candy, my love.
Oh, God. We're going to bring candy next time.
You better. So small. So fun size. Hi, Tyler.
Bye.
Welcome to the Dent Schoolhouse.
Hi. No. All right. It's all coming back to me now. School's not as you remember it, right? No. Oh my. Oh, I don't like it. No. Just never know. Oh, we are now in class.
Get to class now!
Oh, no. Oh, God.
You don't like to listen, do you? Detention! Now!
Ooh, he's sending us to detention. Oh, no. That's where I spend a lot of time. We got sent to detention. She's a screamer. Oh my God, where'd that laugh come from? I don't know. She just wants a hug, Tammy. No! They said they liked you, Tammy. I don't know why. I don't know.
Where's the captain? Put me in this locker! I'm gonna find him, cut him into pieces, put him in all these lockers!
Yeah, that's... Oh, no. Oh, my God.
You find the stuff in this locker, eat this!
They're doing
Listen to
this.
those ghostly voices.
It smells like a librarian here.
Yeah, it does smell like old pages.
It does.
Smells like death.
Is that a book? Oh my. That is creepy as heck. Oh.
Absolutely nothing in the library. Rule breaker. Okay, tell him. Oh, no.
Very nice.
Tattletale.
Snitches get stitches.
Oh. Here we go. I don't want to go down here. Into the red light. No. I don't like this. He just said hi.
Oh, I saw something move up there.
Why is that moving?
I don't know. I see things moving. That's
Come
right.
on! Smells good in here, don't it?
No.
Yeah, that's right. I can see some just like this. I like it dry!
Oh my gosh, it's a cat. Oh, I love it. It has big eyes.
No, there's other behavior too!
They're double tapping. Oh my goodness. Why do you have an axe? Oh, you know, just some kids.
Oh, let me get a piece! Oh, what do you say?
Say it. No.
That was rude.
No.
Is that your face? I feel like you stole that. Oh, see?
That doesn't belong to you.
Tammy!
Negative.
Sure, help me!
I can't help you, I'm sorry.
Come on, Tyler!
They'll cut me.
Come on, Tyler!
They'll cut me.
How do you get out of here?
You will get cut.
Sorry, buddy.
Sam, you're stuck.
Uh-oh, that ain't good.
Cincinnati police and Dent police are combing the area to look for Charlie McFree.
That's what I always do the car, but...
Yeah, you need one. No. You just need somebody. I wish she's still talking right now.
I don't like this.
I hate these.
I don't like
why.
it.
They're creep out.
Oh,
What's that?
I don't know.
I see you. Looks like the darkness. Jesus. Yeah, they're beautiful. No. Oh my god.
No.
What in the world? Those are. Oh, you don't need the hammer.
No.
Oh, okay. No. My goodness, look out, Tyler. Fool! Your trespassing has angered him. You were not prepared for the consequences that you have sown. Oh, we angered
I'm
him.
not prepared.
I'm not either.
Whoa! What do we have down here?
I don't know.
For my collection! I think I'll take yours!
Your head would look good on a
Shit.
platter!
No. That's not right. What are you doing now? You just stay in there.
Humans today are so vomitable. They all taste like I'd rather eat them.
Pray with us.
Oh, no, thank you, ma'am.
I need to now.
We need to after the bat tried to get us.
Oh, God.
No. How did you get over there? Look out. Oh, that's her. Oh, no. Zobo Circus. Custom clowns. There's something in there.
Yeah.
Here in the circus, we're never lonely. I have so many friends.
She's very lonely.
Oh,
We
what's
need
your
you.
name?
Nora.
Oh, it's so hideous.
Oh, yes, it
Welcome to
is.
the circus, guys.
Oh, hello.
The carnival down here. It's so much fun. You want to try to win a prize? I bet you can. Oh, get lost in there. I get to keep some pieces if you don't come back out.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Hello. Would you? Oh! That is a chicken. How do we get out of here? There. Ow. Not that way, Tammy.
There's an exit
that way.
over there.
Oh gosh. Oh! No. Oh my god.
No, it's the same spot.
No, it's not. On the other side.
You forgot about me? Oh,
I did it. She needs a friend.
Again, we go.
I can't see. Oh, me neither. I can't see either. Huh?
The bodies are twitching.
Oh my god.
Bodies are twitching. They're twitching.
You gotta make sure they're more
I don't
dead.
even think I belong in here.
Oh, I don't know.
No.
Oh, they all are wearing a lot of skin. Oh no, this is different here. Oh my. Oh, look, it's there. Gross.
cookies in there. Oh, those are really cool.
Finally! Here, Norm! Let me pick your brain! Hey, Tyler! I'm using mine right now! I'm staring at your brain!
Oh God, they thought that we needed quarantine. Huh? I don't know.
Doctor is late for my prescription!
Oh, I'll try to get it for you.
Welcome in! You have come at the right time! Please step right this way! And now witness to my greatest creation! I have done it! I have conquered death!
Okay.
He lives again!
He does, Dr. Dent.
Tell him welcome!
God, you need medicine too. Everybody needs medicine. We're all crazy. Oh shit. Oh my God. He hasn't been there. Oh my. Oh, this is disgusting. Oh, I saw something. Oh my God. Oh, it's a bushman. It's always the bushman. Bush. Uh-oh.
Music intensifies.
It does, and then there's more bodies. Oh no. That's really full.
It's really full. Holy crap.
I don't know which way to do it.
Backwards?
I'm going in.
Going in? Let's go to the happy place. This is probably against my better judgment. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Just keep swimming.
Oh God.
Swimming.
Oh God.
Just keep swimming.
I don't know where to go.
Swimming.
It's still gotta go this way.
It's so thick.
Oh gosh. Oh. So when you come to Dent Schoolhouse, you have
Try not to get bubbles everywhere, okay?
you get two options when you come through. You get to go through the bubbles or the non-bubbles. Usually I don't go through the bubbles because of the camera, but so also here at the end of the haunt, they have this whole special midway area, and they call it the Monster Midway. And so they've got all kinds of photo ops out here. They've got axe throwing. They've got some like museum exhibits. They've got a jack-o'-lantern showcase. Like I said, they got all kinds of.
Watch out for the spooky ghost.
Watch out for them. This one over here.
Go get you.
Oh God. Oh God. All the photo ops. Ah! Thanks for wiping the bubbles. And in addition to all the other things, they've also got like some 5-minute escape rooms over here. And some of the food here at Dent is absolutely amazing. They've got their own little signature, like little mini donuts that they've made recipes for. Up at the main concession booth, they've got new like specialty Dent Schoolhouse cookies that you can get. So a huge thank you to the Dent Schoolhouse for having us out here and giving us passes. We absolutely appreciate you guys. If you want to see our full review with ratings of Dent Schoolhouse, or if you want to find other haunted houses here in Ohio, Kentucky, Indiana area, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, I've got the next one linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.